The iPhone 16 Pro was just unveiled, and I'm here to tell you this will be the best phone of 2024. I'm always excited about what Apple has to offer every year, and this year I'm really excited, and it's all because of the cameras. The updates to the cameras on the 16 Pro and Pro Max just feels special, especially if you're a content creator. For example, you now have a 48 megapixel ultra wide on the 16 Pro and Pro Max, which is going to allow you to have 48 megapixel macro photography, and I'm a huge fan of macro photography. And the 16 Pro will give you a more detailed and sharper macro shot, which is something I'm really looking forward to. Video on the iPhone will continue to be the best on any smartphone. With the addition of the 120 FPS 4K video option, you'll be able to get those crisp cinematic videos, and I just love slow motion shots. I use them all the time for my B-roll on this channel, so having that available right on my iPhone is going to be something I use all the time. And you have the option to record the 120 FPS 4K on Apple ProRes for better color correction and flexibility when it comes to post. Not only that, but the addition of the camera capture button is going to make the whole camera experience so much better. You can use it for things like zooming in or out or selecting another camera setting. Apple mentioned that another feature that's coming is the ability to press it slightly and hold to focus and keep that focus as you adjust your angle, much like a DSLR camera. There's so many possibilities here, and the amount of control and functionality that button is going to give you is just going to make that whole camera experience just exciting again. Apple also talked about the microphones on the new iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max and how audio capture quality should be much improved with this year's iPhones. So look, when it comes down to it, if you want the best video experience on any smartphone, you would always go with an iPhone in years past, but now that lead that the iPhone has had is just growing more and more, in my opinion. So yeah, the camera improvements are going to be great, but also keep in mind that the 16 Pro and Pro Max will have the best chipset in any smartphone with the Apple A18 Pro chip. You're also getting better battery life. According to Apple, you're getting an additional 4 hours on video playback. And wireless charging is now faster on the iPhone 16 Pro models with 25-watt wireless charging now available. Now, I know that Apple is still far behind other smartphones when it comes to charging speeds, but at least there's some improvement there. Now, I'm still unsure about that new color, Desert Titanium. I do have to check it out in person and see how it really looks, having it in the hand. But looking at the camera, looking at the performance, looking at battery life, Apple improved in a lot of areas that they were kind of already leading in. This will continue to be hands down the best smartphone when it comes to content creation. And I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. But what do you think? Are you excited about the updates coming to the newest iPhones? Even the iPhone 16, the standard version and the Plus version, they had some nice updates as well that I think make them a solid choice as well. But what do you think? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.